How to download and install Steam on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Steam is a digital distribution platform developed by Valve Corporation, known for its role in distributing and managing video games. It is a marketplace where users can purchase, download, play games on their computers. Some key aspects of Steam are the game store, the digital distribution, community features, Steam Workshop, Steam Wallet, and much more. So if you want to download and use the Steam on your device, here is a quick way. First of all, go to any of your web browser and search for Steam. This will now provide you the URL from the official website of the Steam. Click on the first link, Welcome to Steam, or you could directly click on Install Steam. Once you tap on it, it will take you to another page from where you can download the .exe file for the installation. Here you can choose the Steam for download, or you can directly sign in the web version. To install in the Windows, you have a button right there, or you could choose for the Mac, iOS and much more as well. Once you do so, the download will start on the top right corner. It might take a while depending upon the internet connection as well as the size. After that, you just have to double tap on the .exe file, which will start the installation. The installation will require you the permission or agreement to the terms and conditions. Once that is done, it will upload and download all of such files and folders required, and you'll be good to go. After that, you just have to provide the credentials and log in into your Steam account. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.